All you women need to know what endometriosis is, because you might be suffering and struggling with it and you are not even aware about it. So if you have dysmenorrhea, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, that is very difficult menstruation and pain during the menses, difficulty in maintaining intercourse, difficulty in getting pregnant, difficulty in urination and defecation, then these 5Ds, which we generally say, then these are the symptoms which might be suggestive of endometriosis. And you need to see your gynecologist for the same. What do you mean by endometriosis? So, as we all are aware, this is the human reproductive system, and this is the uterus. This is the fallopian tube, and this is the ovaries. So what happens that this is the endometrial lining, because that sheds every month, leading to bleeding, that is the menstruation. What will happen if this endometrial lining is there in the ovaries, also in the fallopian tube or nearby areas? So that will lead to bleeding every month from those tissues as well. So as we understand that this has got opening, so these blood goes out. However, if it is inside the ovaries, then it will get collected and will cause a cyst, blood fluid filled cyst, what we call as endometrioma or chocolate cyst. So if you have been diagnosed or you have any query related to endometriosis, you can come for a consult, and we are there at MASH to help you for the same.